Hello and welcome to another update video about WIF, Dogwifhat. We have two wave counts here. They are at the moment both bullish. WIF has reacted again to the support zone here, which is located between $1.59 and $2.20. And there are two, as I said, there are two wave counts. In the blue scenario, in both counts, a wave 4, larger degree wave 4, bottomed on the 5th of August, and we'd like to see higher prices. The question is just how deep is the pullback going to be the market is offering. At the moment, we can make a case that maybe a local low has been established here in October. So let's talk about the two scenarios. There's one scenario which is highlighted here in blue, where we're moving up in a diagonal pattern. We completed waves 1 and 2. The microstructure, however, I have to say, is extremely messy. So best case, or let's say best interpretation I can offer is that a third wave in the blue count topped recently in October, at this October high at around 296. We're currently in a wave 4 pullback, and then we could get another high in wave 5. So at the moment, as long as the October low is holding, that is a plausible scenario. Please note that this is a diagonal pattern and the fifth wave is likely going to be an ABC structure. And I'm just labeling here the potential of a first 5-wave move up from the low. That is how a 5-wave move would look like. I would need to see, first of all, the last swing low hold. So any break below the last swing low would invalidate the idea that we've bottomed. That would mean it needs to hold above 224. And we completed waves 1 and 2. The third wave might be complete. I need to see one more 4-5 pattern. And it means probably reaching 5 waves in the region. Probably, yeah, I should get to 280 plus. Okay, so if we get to 280 plus, then we have 5 waves up, and it would help establish, let's say, or it would help to confirm that we've really bottomed. Because then after 5 waves up, we would be watching for the first higher low to form, the first pullback that could form a higher low. And it would be something like, 5 waves up in wave A, then a B wave pullback. It could result in a C wave rally higher. Yeah. Now this would be the blue scenario. The yellow wave count is slightly different. Am I convinced? No. It's also tricky. This is actually a wave count where we can say, okay, we have a wave 1, wave 2. It's a different type of diagonal. 1, 2. This could have been an AB, and we've already seen the 1, 2 setup. And we're also moving higher now in a third wave. Then we get a fourth and a fifth wave. This might even be a little bit more of a direct move up. It doesn't overall make a great difference. The only difference is that as soon as we topped here, whether that's wave 5 in blue or wave 3 in yellow, in the yellow count we get another 4-5 pattern that could eventually drive us to like $6 to $7. Whereas in the blue count, after the next high in the $4 region, we could see a more major top, a more substantial top. In the short term, however, the main question is now if a low has been established, and I already gave you the key levels that need to hold. Well, if we break below that last swing low, then $2, 182 and 159 are the next support levels. As long as we're holding above 159, however, there is no confirmation that a substantial top has formed yet. It would simply mean that maybe this wave 4 extends a bit lower. Okay, if we break below that last swing low, it can't really be a wave 2 anymore. It would then be maybe an extension of the yellow wave B as well. But that's why I've measured this fib area down to 159 to capture all of those potentials, and that the Fibonacci area is relevant. You can see the market has reacted several times now to that 220 level. So overall, looking for higher, especially as long as the October low is holding. Any break below it would likely lead to a test of the lower support levels. But as long as we're holding above the 78.6 retracement at 159, I'm going to watch for the price to get to $3 to $4, rather like the $4 range next. That's the update about WIF. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.